Before starting your experience abroad, once you've decided in which country is best for you to study, you will need to apply for a visa. But what is a visa? A visa is an official document that allows you to legally enter a foreign country. Among different types of visas, you will need a student visa, which will allow you to enter the country, study there, travel around the country, and in some cases, work for a set number of hours. The process to acquire a visa may be long and stressful, but you don't need to worry. There's an easier way with UNIVERNA. Once you apply for a university abroad program on our site, you can choose to get help from our consultants who will check if you are eligible for a visa based on your country of citizenship, your chosen destination country, the institution and the course you wish to study, and how you plan to finance your study. Then, we will help you to prepare the necessary documents and book your visa appointment at the embassy. This way, you will be able to get your visa in the shortest time possible. Don't waste your time. Just get ready to live your adventure abroad. UNIVERNA will take care of the rest.